Whether it's the beginning of the season or the end of the summer, deep cleaning the caravan is a worthwhile task. It may seem daunting, but actually it can be completed quite quickly. If you have access to a hose pipe or you're in a storage site with no running water, follow these simple steps to get your pride and joy gleaming once again.
Deep cleaning a caravan ready for the season ahead doesn't need to be difficult, and we can do the bulk of this work with just a few cleaning products. This includes a pH-neutral shampoo, a cream cleaner, a black streak remover, window cleaner, and finally some polish or a wax. The equipment we are using today involves a long-handled cleaning brush, a clean paintbrush, a water source, and some microfiber cleaning cloths. If you are lucky enough to have a hose pipe, that's great. However, many owners store their caravans in storage yards where there's no running water. In this case, use some garden pump sprayers and an aqua roll full of water. You will get the same results, but it may take a little longer to complete. The caravan we are cleaning today has the dreaded black streaks, some green build-up from storage and some birdlime, and also some road traffic debris too. Now up to this point, the caravan has already had its roof cleaned by using a bucket of water with shampoo and a long-handled brush. The most important step in this process was to raise or lower the nose of the caravan to encourage water to run off the roof. However, this has left us with a bit of a problem, as the sides of the caravan now need some attention, with muck and debris coming from the roof cleaning. So let's give the caravan a good soak using either a hose pipe or water from a pump sprayer and spray the body of the caravan to remove any large deposits of dirt. Be careful not to use a high pressure washer and don't spray into any vents or seals around the caravan. So while the caravan is wet, we can start the cleaning process by removing heavy contaminants such as the dreaded black streaks. Using a black streak remover, spray onto the caravan and use a microfiber cloth on the heavy marks, as per the product instructions. In this instance and with this product, we wipe on, leave for 30 seconds, then agitate and finally rinse off to reveal a streak-free caravan surface. This product is great for removing any traffic film, insects and heavy stains or marks such as bird muck. This product can also be used to clean the motor movers and the alloy wheels. So now the heavy marks are removed, it's time to focus on the details, areas such as locker doors, awning rails and mouldings that incur a build-up of dirt. Using a cream cleaner that's designed specifically for caravans, along with a small clean paintbrush, agitate the cream cleaner and work into areas of the caravan that a cloth or a sponge won't reach. Here you can see we're focusing on the grab handles, moulding and the trim at the rear of the caravan. A top tip for using any cream cleaner is to apply it to a wet surface, use the product sparingly and agitate until the cream cleaner becomes soapy. For wide areas such as the raised decals or parts of the joins, use a cream cleaner with a wet microfiber cloth. Again, use it sparingly. Once the product has been worked in, rinse down to reveal a clean, bright surface. When cleaning the awning rails, focus on the top and the bottom edge as well as the channel to make sure the awning rail is free from any debris. Finally, it's time to clean the sides of the caravan. Using a pH-neutral shampoo that is safe to use on delicate caravan surfaces, dilute into a clean bucket of water. Apply the shampoo either with a sponge, a bubble mitt, or as you can see here, a soft, long-handled cleaning brush. Don't use any brushes or sponges on the windows, we'll come back to those in a moment. A top tip is to split the caravan into sections and clean from top to bottom, allowing the dirt to run off the caravan sides. Once one panel has been cleaned, rinse down before moving on to another panel. To clean the windows, apply a diluted shampoo directly to the window using your fingertips. Using your fingertips will reduce the risk of any scratches, as you will be able to feel any grit on the window surface. And if you do, stop immediately. So we now have a clean, wet caravan ready for the next steps. Wipe the entire surface down with some microfiber cloths until dry, and even at this stage you may find streaks forming as water continues to run off the caravan. It's important to remove as much of these as you possibly can. While the caravan continues to dry, open every window to reveal the rubbers. Wipe around the windows to remove any debris that was trapped under the rubbers, and don't forget to spray some silicone spray around the window rubbers to keep them clean and supple. Use an acrylic window cleaner on the inside and outside of each window. Open every locker, compartment and flap inside and clean inside and outside, removing any streaks or debris, and again to wipe over the rubber seals with some silicone lubricant. It's now time to protect and maintain a clean surface by applying a layer of very fine wax. Use either a waterless spray wax or a hard wax that can be applied with a sponge. Spray this into the surface and wipe down with a cloth to reveal a bright, shiny surface. And that's it, a clean, well-prepared caravan ready for the season ahead.
That's it for now. We hope you have found this video useful. Check out the other help and advice videos in the services on our website. And while you're there, why not join the UK's fastest growing caravan and motorhome community? We offer great membership perks, including live chat support with an engineer for specialist and emergency advice. Hope to see you soon. Happy caravanning.